Continuing coverage now out of Walker County as the investigation into the death of an inmate, Anthony Mitchell, continues. Attorney General Steve Marshall spoke with CBS 42 about the case today and the video that's raising concerns with some in the community. CBS 42's Carly Lang has his reaction.
Attorney General Steve Marshall says his office is not involved in this case. It's being investigated by the State Bureau of Investigation and the FBI. He says if there are any facts and laws that require the Attorney General's office to take action, Marshall says he will be prepared to do so.
They'll handle this professionally and they'll do their job.
Attorney General Steve Marshall says the investigation into Anthony Mitchell's death will be treated like any other investigation.
The FBI has a different set of laws that deal with civil rights violations. They are uniquely equipped in that area, very different than what we have under current Alabama law to be able to evaluate it from that perspective. And so both SBI and FBI have their own unique roles.
Mitchell died on January 26th after being in the care of the Walker County Sheriff's Office for over 10 days. Video shared by Corrections Officer Karen Kelly shows Mitchell being carried by sheriff's employees and placed into a patrol unit. Marshall watched the video for the first time on our set. Here's his reaction.
You know, I think what we're seeing is simply a snapshot of maybe what the circumstances were preceding this, and one of the things investigators will be looking at is determine why he was in this condition and what steps those that were involved in supervising his custody took to try to deal with his health.
The video has sparked outrage online. It appears to contradict a statement from the sheriff's office about Mitchell's death. The statement sent to our newsroom says Mitchell was, quote, alert and conscious when he left the jail. A wrongful death lawsuit filed by Mitchell's family claims Mitchell froze to death. The suit references medical notes that say his body temperature was 72 degrees when he arrived at the hospital. Marshall says those allegations will be reviewed thoroughly by both the FBI and SBI.
If it's true, and again, very much relevant to what investigators will look at in determining the big picture here. I mean, this is more than a discrete video and a discrete moment. But this gentleman, as I understand it, was in custody for, over 10 days, and they'll look at the circumstances of that confinement and what took place.
This investigation is still in its early stages. A protest is planned for this weekend. It's being held Saturday at 3 p.m. at the Walker County Courthouse in Jasper. Reporting in the studio tonight, Carly Lang, CBS 42 News, local coverage you can count on.